Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the built-in emoji panel so you can insert characters anywhere. On Windows, press Windows plus period or semicolon. On Mac, use Control-Command space. On many Linux setups, enable your input method like iBus or use app-specific shortcuts. Once the panel appears, you'll see categories, search, and recently used items. This is faster than scrolling menus. Make sure to position your cursor in the text field first, because the picker inserts exactly where the caret is. You now refine your choice by searching and browsing. Type a short keyword such as smile or pizza to filter results quickly. That's faster than visual scanning. Once results appear, use category icons or tab keys to jump between people, food, symbols, and flags. If you prefer keyboard control, use arrow keys to highlight and press enter to insert. Because emoji sets differ across platforms, check appearance in your target app. Some emoji will render differently on other devices. You finish by inserting and, if needed, customizing emoji. After inserting, choose skin tones or gender modifiers where provided. These apply as separate Unicode sequences. If your emoji appear as empty boxes or not at all, make sure the app and system font support Unicode emoji. Updating the OS or the app often resolves this. If the picker won't open, restart the app or computer, check keyboard shortcuts, and verify input method settings. Once fixed, you can resume inserting emoji effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.